standard deviation of ungrouped data. Our objective is at the end of this lesson, we'll be able to solve for the standard deviation of the given ungrouped data. On the given sets, we have a water temperature 5 degrees Celsius. We have a given formula that you can see in here. This is the formula for standard deviation. We have a given formula in here, which is the standard deviation is equal to the square root of the summation of the square of the quantity of x minus mean all over n minus 1. The x means the raw scores. Then you have the x bar, which means the mean. And then the symbol for this one is the sum of, or the summation, n is the number of the raw scores. First step in here is we're going to find the summation of the given raw scores to find the mean. Okay, so to find the mean or the x bar, we have the summation of the raw score. This is the x. So it's the summation of the x over n. So we need to find first the mean. So we're going to use a calculator for that to find our mean. Okay, so let us have the first one. We have 1405 plus 1785 plus 2385. You must be careful in encoding it on the calculator because if you encode one number, everything will get wrong. So you need to be careful on that. So after 2385, we have 895. We have 1525, 1295 plus 1345 plus 1180 plus 1260 plus 1435. So the answer we have for the summation of x, so we have 14,510. Now, the number of the raw scores we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the n is equal to 10. So now to find the mean, we have the x bar. We have 14,510 divide 10 because the n value is 10. So divide 10. So the answer is 1,451. So that will be the mean. So going to step one, we have the x minus the mean, raw scores minus the mean. So to answer the first column, we have 1,405. You start with the raw score, the x value, minus the mean, which is 1,451. So we have negative 46 on the first column. And then we have 1785 minus 1451. We have 334. And then we have 2385 minus 1451. We have 934. 895 minus 1451. We have negative 556, 1525 minus 1451. We have 74. And then we have 1295 minus 1451, negative 156. 1345 minus 1451 is negative 106. 1180 minus 1451, negative 271. And then 1260 minus 1451, we have negative 191. Then 1435 minus 1435 minus 1451, we have negative 60. So there you go. After looking for the x minus mean, we need to square it because we're following the numerator on the formula. Okay, so now we have x minus x bar squared. So you'll multiply it by itself or you will square it. So we have on the first one, when you square a negative number, positive. So we have 46 times 46. We have 2116. And then 334 times 334. We have 111556. 111556. Okay, and then 934 squared. We'll see if this one will work. So we have 872. Let me just correct this one. It looks like 7. So we have 872, 356. Okay, and then we have 556 square. I'm not putting negative since if you square negative, it is positive. So take note of that. So we have 309, 136. And then 74 square, we have 5476. And then after that, we have 156 square. We have 24,336. 106 square, we have 11,236. 271 square, we have 73,441. 191 square, 36,481. And then 16 square, we have 256. 256. Now to get the numerator on the formula, this part, we're going to have the summation of the x minus x or x bar or mean square. So we need to sum it out. So add all the given result in here. So we need to find the sum, okay? So let us clear this one first. Okay, so be careful. As I mentioned, please be careful in clicking your calculator because if you miss one number, plus 11155 plus 11155. Oh, yeah. 11. 3,01556 plus 872,356 plus 3,09136 plus 5,476 plus 24,336 plus 11,236 plus 73,441 plus 36,481 plus 256. So the answer is 1,446,390. Now we're going to plug it in on the equation. So for the answer, we have the n minus 1, simply n minus 1, which is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So we have our answer divided by 9. So the answer is 160,710. Okay, so we got the n minus 1, which is 9. Now we're going to square root 160,710 to get the standard deviation. Okay, so we're going to get the square root. Okay, where's the square root? I think this is the square root. Okay, square root answer is 400.89. So the standard deviation is 400.89. There you go. So that is how we get the standard deviation on the given ungrouped data. Hope you've learned, and please let me know if you have a question. Write your question in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again on the next video. Bye.